Hey guys, want to get a chance to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is be a subscriber to this channel, hit the like button, and type the code word that will pop up somewhere in this video. And once I reach 7,000 subscribers, I will randomly pick the comment with the code word, and that person will win the free money. So if you want to get a chance to win some free money today, hit that subscribe button. Now let's get into this video. Welcome to AppGrind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make $250 simply listening to music online, and this is free worldwide. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And for every 1,000 new subscribers I receive, I give away free moolah. So do yourself a favor and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. And give me a like. It's going to help out this channel, and it helps out this video to go viral. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this method. Now guys, please watch this video all the way to the very end, because a code word is going to pop up somewhere in this video. As soon as you see that code word, type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 7,000 subscribers, which is right around the corner, guys. So, without further ado, let me hop over here to this site and show you this method. Let's grind and let's get it. Okay, guys, I'm at this website, and the name of the website is Current. Now, to get to this website, you just type in current.us. Now, on this website, you're going to make money just listening to music. So, you want to earn rewards while running? You can. As you can see here, this person right here running, listening to music, and making money. Now, do you want to earn rewards while working? So, as you can see here, this person is working, and they're earning rewards. And also you can earn rewards while commuting. Now, they have an app, and it's available at the App Store and the Google Play Store. Now let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more about this website. So, play your favorite music. So you get to play your favorite music, and you're going to earn points while playing your favorite music. And then you're going to spend those points on an in-app feature or gift card. Now let's just scroll down here, learn a little bit more. So search and play from 100,000 plus radio stations. And you're going to earn points by playing your favorite music. Spend your points on your favorite brands, or you can just trade those points in and get paid money, guys. Now again, all you have to do is just go to Google Play or the App Store to get started. So let's just scroll down here and see what people are saying about this website. So first, let's click right here where it says, how do I earn? Say, the more you play, the more you earn. Everyone who signs up can play curated radio stations in Current and earn in-app points called points. During the media playback, you'll encounter several opportunities to generate points. We're constantly adding more ways to earn, so look out for important updates. Now, how do I spend my points? So points can be spent in various ways. Gift cards to your favorite services, physical products, electronics, and donations. Now, them gift cards, guys, can be PayPal money or Amazon gift card. Now, guys, what I'm going to do now is go to the app, because I want to show you their review on this app. So let me go ahead and go there now. Okay guys, I pulled up the app and I'm in the Google Play Store. And The name is Make Money and Earn Cash Rewards. So let's just scroll down here and look at the review and the rating. So out of 5 stars, 4.4. This is an excellent app, guys, because anything over 4.0 is a very, very good app. And as you can see, it's almost halfway to 5 stars. So people are very satisfied with this app. Now let's just read one review here. This person right here named Autumn says, awesome. I was annoyed when they said it could take up to 5 to 7 days for PayPal cash outs to be processed, but got mine in 3 days. So this person thought they was going to get paid in 7 days, 5 to 7 days, but they got paid in 3 days. That's pretty fast compared to other apps out there that pay out PayPal money. All right, guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app right here. So if you want to get started, you can go to the website and go to current.us, or just go ahead and go to Google Play Store, look for Make Money and Earn Cash Rewards, download the app, and get started. All right, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me and help me to get at least 25 likes. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions at all about this website. And please, guys, share this video all around the internet, because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become their own boss. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop, because I make videos like this every other day. Okay, guys, one last thing I want to do before I end this video. I like to do shout outs. So the way I do shout outs is I randomly pick a comment and I flash it on the screen. So today's shout out goes to this person right here. Thank you for your comment. I really appreciate your support. Keep checking out my videos. If you share my videos, keep sharing. Keep hitting that like button. Help this channel to grow. All right, guys, that's it. Road to 7,000. We're going to get there this month. It's January 2022. We're going to get there. Let's get there, guys, because I'm ready to give away this free money to 2 lucky subscribers. All right, guys, that's it. By the way, get your grind on, because the grind is real. Please go check out these very, very important videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.